If you are a local SEO freelancer or a local SEO agency, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to share with you 3 simple ways to find clients online. These are the exact strategies I've used to find clients or local SEO clients online. So stick with me, and if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. On this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. If this is something you love, hit the subscribe button and let's get right into it. The number one way to find local SEO clients online is to make sure that you're ranking your Google business profile on Google Maps. You're not just ranking on Google Maps, but you're ranking on the local 3 packs. You'll want to make sure you are ranking there so that people can actually, or local business owners can actually find you as a local SEO specialist or a local SEO service provider for them to hire you. Let's take, for instance, let's go to my own business. Let me quickly type this to find my business. I'm going to paste something like this. I'm going to do local SEO service in Sabon Tesha. Can you see that my business is ranking number 2 on the local 3 pack? I can see this is the local map. This is the local 3 pack here, where you have the first 3 businesses ranking. If your business are not in these 3 local pack, you are missing a lot, because these ones buried here under more businesses, they can't be easily found. You want to make sure optimize your local business profile or your Google business profile to ranking. This is my business ranking here, right? It is ranking number 2. Here I'm likely going to get SEO or local SEO clients who are looking for local SEO services in Sabon Tesha. You can also optimize for local SEO experts, local SEO service provider for small businesses. Make sure you're ranking on one of these major keywords. As soon as you rank here, business owners or local business owners will easily find you on Google Maps and actually reach out to you. So if you click on my website, it will take you to my own website where you can book for consultation. You can book for me to do any of your services. You can see my local SEO service here. As you can see, I am ranking. This is my own business, my own local SEO business. That is number 1 on how to find local SEO clients in 2026. So number 2 is to find local SEO businesses that are ranking low on local search. The whole of this place is called local search results. If you look at here now, you see that these ones here are the ones that are ranking on local 3 pack. You can see there are businesses buried under more businesses. These are people's local businesses, so they need to come up. These are the people you need to target, and you can see these are people also ranking in local search. These ones are local search, just local organic. They are websites ranking on local organic. You click on more businesses, you can go on and look at their businesses and find what you can help them do. The second way you can find local SEO clients, you check their reviews. These ones do not have enough reviews. You can decide to help them get more reviews, because not having reviews can actually make them lose customers. People who are looking for their businesses may not hire them because they do not have any review. So review is one of the things that actually make people hire local businesses. It's one of the things that will actually make people convert. So it's one of the conversion optimization strategies. So you can see that this one has up to 24 reviews and the reviews are okay. The ones that do not have a website, you can decide to build a website for them. Like this one does not have review, this one does not have a website. Can you see? So what you can do here, you can also use this local SEO tool here I'm using, that is GMB Everywhere. If you look at here, you will see that this is GMB Everywhere, and it's a tool I also use for audits. It can also help you audit these businesses here and use the reports to pitch them, because if you're pitching them just like that, they may not be able to hire you. But once they see that their competitors are doing well but they themselves are not doing well, they will be able to see the gap between them and their competitors. They will be able to listen to you and hire you. So this is something you can do, and I'll also leave a link to get this particular GMB Everywhere too, because that's the client or prospecting tools I use also to audit clients' Google business profile before reaching out to them. The number 3 thing you can do is to use a tool. There's a tool I will show you now, so you can just come and type localo. So I'm going to log into my Localo account to show you the exact tool you can use. So I'm going to log into my account right now and show you the exact tool you can use, and this is called a local SEO client acquisition tool I use myself. So I'm going to log in, quickly log in. This is my account. Let me quickly show you how to go about it. You can click on this pro feature, so you can start a free 14-day trial to test this tool. If it is something that worth your money, you can subscribe. As you can see, this is my account here and I'm enjoying this tool. To be honest, this tool is absolutely amazing. It does a lot of things, not just for client acquisition. It helps me manage my Google business profile. It helps me respond to reviews. It helps me post on my Google business profile. So it does a lot of things you would want to check out. And in my next video, I will do a detailed video teaching you how to get clients with this feature I'm showing you now. So this is the client acquisition tool. Just click on it. As you can see, this is one of the client prospecting I did yesterday, which I'm still working on. Right, as you can see, once you search any business, it will actually populate the ones that have issues, Google business profile that have issues. Instead of for you to go to Google map and start looking or start searching for businesses that have issues or local businesses that have issues for you to know, you just use a simple tool like this. As soon as you type something like dentist in Denmark, it's going to populate profiles with issues and also guide you on what to do. So this one, if I want to work on this one, I can just put this one as to do, and then I can actually see this business in real time. Click on view. To click on view, you can see what this business is not doing right and what you can use to pitch them. As soon as you find out all this, can you see that they are not ranking at all? Can you see in most of their locations they are not ranking? This is a map rank tracker. It tracks the locations or the geographical locations where their business is ranking. As you can see, these ones in red here shows that they are not ranking in those places. When someone from these locations search for them, they will not be able to find them. See, their business visibility is very, very low. So this is something you can do. What you should do next is to get their details. As soon as you get their details, let's go back. Then you have to pitch them. You can decide to create a grid here. You can see them directly on Google Maps. Just open in a new tab. You can see this business in real time. So this is the business open here on Google. You can decide to reach out to them, get their details. As soon as you get their details here, the email, pitch them that you found their business on Google and they are not ranking well. This is what needs to be done. And by the time you do this for 10 clients or 10 potential clients a day, you will be able to close one. This is to show you that these three ways work. Number one, I said make sure you are ranking on Google for specific keywords that your clients or potential clients are searching on Google. The number two is to find businesses manually on Google Maps that are having issues and you want to solve their issues. Then the number three I mentioned is using Localo to also find this business automatically. You're not doing a manual work here. The tool is helping you find businesses with issues so that you can do your prospecting and you manage them in one place. I'll also leave the link to try Localo in the description of my video. Please make sure you click the second link there. You can also get the Google GMB Everywhere tool to actually audit other business profile in case if you want to do a manual auditing. So that is that for this video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use this particular tool to prospect. See you in my next video.